Open moorland, hills, forest, lakes and 250 kilometers of coastline shapes the landscape of Djursland. Nature is right in front of you. Make use of it, enjoy it all year and experience surroundings you won't find anywhere else in Denmark. The real Danish nature is to find on Djursland. Denmark's scenic nose. As one of the locations at Djursland you can find Grenaa, which is placed both near the sea and the forest. The area is filled with trails just for horses and give the possibility to ride in the nature for hours. In addition to that, Grenaa also offers several places to stable your horse, and some of them offer lessons with well-educated trainers. This gives you a unique possibility to combine a training residence with tracks outside the arena, where you and your horse can relax and get a closer teamwork in the beautiful nature of Djursland.